In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you some of the most important and powerful tips and tricks of Microsoft Word. First, let us see how to create generic text using random function. And this is it. Just type equals rand and just give two numeric values which represents the number of paragraphs and number of lines in each paragraph. So this 10,4 gives 10 paragraphs and 4 lines in each paragraph. You can see we have created 10 paragraphs of content with 4 lines in each. So this is how we use random function for creating generic text. Now let me take you to the next exercise, which is selecting group text using Alt key. If you want to select specific words from the sentences in Microsoft Word, it doesn't allow us. Example, if I want to select a specific words from these 3 sentences, it doesn't allow, it selects everything. To get rid of it, press Alt key and do the selection. Now you can see the difference. Those specific words you need will be selected. Let me give a try. I just clicking on Alt key and I am doing the selection in here. You can see only this part of the sentences have been selected where I can do formatting as well. Again, I will show you another example. I have pressed Alt key and I selected only these set of words which I need to format it in italic. So now I have selected a specific set of words and I have formatted it. Now let me take you to the next step, which removes the text formatting in an easy way, just by pressing Ctrl plus space. Now I have selected the paragraphs and press Ctrl plus space. All the formatting goes off. So now let me show you another example. I have selected this paragraph and I'm doing some formatting which is bold and also italic. To get rid of this formatting in easy way, just select the paragraph and press Ctrl plus space. So then the formatting goes off. Now let me take you to the next tip, or you can call it as a feature, which is autocorrect rules. We're going to set up our own autocorrect rules in here. So for that, just select the file in the menu and click on the options in here. This takes you to the next window where you need to click on proofing in here. Just click on proofing. You will get these options where I need to click on autocorrect options button. So this is the window we're going to set up our autocorrect rules. So replace MSW is the word to be replaced with Microsoft Word. So whenever I use MSW and tab or space, it will be replaced with the word Microsoft Word. Add this. Now I go with another word where I'm going to replace MSE with Microsoft Excel. So I just remove this word and I'm going to replace as Excel. So I just add this. So these are the 2 rules. Again, with this I want to add one more word, which is MDB. So this should be replaced with our channel name, which is MD Bytes. So I just type MD space and BYTES. So I want to add this also in the rules. So whenever I use MDB, it will be replaced with MD Bytes. Click OK and also here OK. So now let us give a try. So first I go with MD Bytes. So I just type MDB and a tab. So I just give a tab in here. So this gives the MD Bytes. So this is how we do. Now I go with MSW, Microsoft Word has been replaced, and MSE, give a space, Microsoft Excel. And this works in the entire document as well. Let me give a try in here, MDB and a space. So then the text will be replaced with the word MD Bytes. So this is how we create our own autocorrect rules in Microsoft Word, where you can use in the entire document. Now let me take you to the next step, which is applying format on matching text. For that, I will take you to the last paragraph of this document where I'm going to do some changes in the formatting. I have selected the entire paragraph and I'm making justified, and I want this paragraph to be applied with a font style italic. So this has been formatted by me, justified, and also applied with italic format. So now I want to change the entire document to be formatted as like what I did in the last paragraph. For that, just click on this pointer in the style options in the menu, make a click. You will get this small window where you will find the option normal, the selection which is already there. Just click on here and go with the option update normal to match selection. So then the entire document, wherever you had the same matching font, it will be selected. So now you can see the change. The entire document has been formatted as like what I did for the last paragraph. So this is how we do apply formatting on matching text in the entire document. Now let me take you to the next tip, which is translator, where I'm going to show you how to translate the text in your Word document to other languages without any help of external sources. So you can just select a particular set of words or a paragraph or the entire document, and you can translate to the languages which is listed in Microsoft Word. For that, you need to just click on Review tab in the menu, where you will find the translate icon in language group. You will find two options: translate selection and translate document. Now let me go with the first option, translate selection. For that, I have selected the first paragraph in here, and making sure the review tab is selected, I click on translate selection. So once clicked, we will get this property window where we need to set up the languages. So here we have the list of languages provided by Microsoft Word, where we need to select the language to which our text has to be translated. So again, here I go with Tamil as the language, preferred language, or to which the text has to be translated. So upon selecting the language, just click on the insert button in here. The selected text will be translated in the document. Now let us have a look on the translation. You can see the first paragraph has been translated to the language which I have selected. Making Ctrl Z, I go with translate document now. So now the entire document will be translated. To set up the properties, you might have noticed the default option is from Malay to English, since I do often this type of translation. So now for this exercise, I just select from English, and 2 is again to Tamil. So I want to translate the entire document which is in English to Tamil. So I just select Tamil, and now I need to click on the translate button. So once I click, the translation process begins, and that's it. So we got the complete document translated to Tamil. So this easy is to make translation in Microsoft Word without any other sources. Now let me take you to the next step, which is applying formula to calculate, where we are going to do some calculation in table in Microsoft Word. So this is the table where you have product, number of items, price per unit, and total. I have key int A for product, and for number of items I just give 5, and price per unit I would like to give 3. So 3 will be the value price per unit. Now for total, we need to apply some formula to calculate 5 times 3. So when you apply table in here, you will get these two menu in the menu bar: table design and layout. Now click on layout, and then you will find the formula button in here. Just click on formula bar in here. You will get this formula property window where we need to set the formula in here. So I just type equals, and this time I need product of, then you need to go for a bracket. The left should be your option, means the left column cells will be multiplied. So now click OK, you will get the value. To be more clear, let us do some more examples. I just go with product B, and for number of items this time I choose 4. So then for price per unit, let us try with the decimal value 4.80. So now let us do the calculation in here. For that, again I click on formula option over there. It comes with the option of sum and above in default. I remove it, and I have replaced with product, and again I want to remove this above option, and that must be replaced with left, so that this 4 times 4.80 will be calculated. Click OK, I will get the value 19.2. Now let me try with the third item, product C, and the number of items this time will be 3 is my option, and price per unit, let me try with 2.20 as the decimal again. And now to calculate, I click on formula option over there, and it default it comes with sum and above. I replace this sum function to product again, and again I replace the above option to left. So then this 3 times 2.20 will be calculated. Now I just click OK. 6.6 is my answer. As of now, I have done the calculations in row wise. Let me show the next example by calculating the values in a single column. So now I need to get the total of the complete price. I place the cursor in here, and I click on formula, and in default it shows sum above. So I need all the values to be totaled. I click OK. Now we get the total price. So 40.8 is the answer. So this is how we apply formulas in Microsoft Word. Now let me show you the interesting tip, which is changing theme. To get the themes changed in Microsoft Word, just select the file in menu and then move on to the account option in here. Just click on account, which takes you to this page where you will find the office theme. So just click on the drop down list there. You will find the options of themes over there. I have selected now dark gray. So this is how it appears. Now I just move back to there and select black is the theme. So this is the black theme of Microsoft Word. I just click back, and this is how we do change themes in Microsoft Word.